Generally speaking, performance can be defined to be kind of ability to do things according to targets set or goals set. In business context, this typically means on macro level, things like revenues, profit levels, return to equity, and so on. Going down deeper, the micro level of companies, these kind of targets and goals will be translated to functional process targets, various type of key performance indexes, and so on. But this might sound pretty awkward and difficult to understand, but on the other hand, it's quite simple. So if we take a practical example of let's pretend that I own an airline business. So what would be important for me as performance is concerned in an airline business? What are kind of the key performance indicators and strategies an airline could choose from? Everybody has flown Norwegian or Finnair, and there are certain differences in the kind of expected performance, expected, let's say, level of service. But if you break down the cost structure, for example, for an airline, you could pretty easily compare the airlines. Say 20% is going to the fuel, 20% of the cost is going to the personnel, another 20% is maybe going to amortizations and fees and taxes, and the rest is kind of operational expenses. So what are the key things you would consider choosing as your key performance indexes in airline business? The things people normally tend to take are like miles per seat or flight hours and so on. So you have to derive from your performance kind of suitable key indicators for your own business, starting from your strategy, how you are positioned in the business, and your own competencies. Not just take any odd figure that comes to your way. What really matters for you as a consumer, as a kind of a passenger, is how well you are, let's say, able to fly to your destination, whether you are not having any kind of unexpected delays or that kind of thing. So the critical things for you as a customer should be critical things for the company as well. In the end of the day, the industrial management in Metropolia is kind of leading the way to measure and improve your performance in your own company. But you are responsible for telling us in what kind of a business your company is and what kind of position does it take in the strategy level. So then we can have a dialogue how to improve your company's business and the performance of the business. So in the master's program, see you in the autumn time, and we will be touching these issues more profoundly. Happy to see you all there.